The Malaysia or Singapore? The trim wise is completely different because it's the biggest, the older one. It's basically meant for the so-called Singapore market. But this one over here, the competitors are now actually big market. So maybe by then you can actually give your ring. Yeah. Call me, then I'll jot it down. Alright. So.
Hi. Did you see our Ford Fiesta movement just now?
Yeah, we saw it.
What do you think about it?
Yeah, interesting.
Was it interesting?
Yeah.
Did
Yeah.
you manage to camcorder yourself?
Yeah, we can call it.
Have you heard of the Ford Fiesta movement?
Yeah, we heard about it before.
Are you aware of what the Fiesta movement is about?
Yeah, about the new car for Fiesta.
Okay, so this is your first Fiesta movement mission, is it? Okay. Do you like the car? Have you checked out the car?
Yeah, we're going to check out it.
Okay, so do you like the look of the car right now?
Yeah.
What do you think about the Ford Fiesta movement? You partake in the Ford Fiesta movement just now, right? So you're gonna post it up?
Definitely.
Very good. Okay, you know there are prizes to be won, right?
Yeah, of course. I post it for the prize, right?
Excellent, excellent. That's the spirit that we want. Okay. Okay, so we have subsequent missions coming up, in the next few months. Are you going to join the Ford Fiesta movement, the missions down the road?
Yeah, definitely I will join.
Excellent, thank you. Would you like to introduce yourself?
My name is Jeevan and I'm in advertising.
Excellent. So were you here just now during our performance?
I just missed it, I was in a meeting.
Oh, okay. Have you heard about the Ford Fiesta movement?
Not really. I know about the Ford Fiesta, I don't know about the movement.
I see. Okay, the movement is a series of missions, and the missions are actually posted online on Facebook. Yeah, Ford Fiesta Malaysia Facebook, and it's a series of missions that we encourage people to undertake. In prizes.
Okay. And the mission is?
Today's mission is to camcord yourself with our dancers and post it up on Facebook, and you stand a chance to win attractive prizes.
Okay, cool. Can I win a car?
Coming up, potentially. Have you taken a look at our Fiesta?
I just did. Oh, okay. This is the first time I'm looking at it close up actually. I've seen it online, but this is the first time I'm seeing it close up.
Do you like the car?
It looks good compared to all the other Fords that are available. I think this is about the best looking one, actually, to be honest.
All right, that's good. So we have a series of missions that's running. Today is mission 2. There'll be mission 3, 4 and subsequent missions. Are you going to follow us and join us on the mission?
Well, since I'm already participated in the first one, you'll make it easier to join the second and third.
Excellent. Okay, follow us on Facebook, Ford Fiesta Malaysia, and we'll keep you posted on the next mission.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you so much. I'm going to get a guy's the business card. You call him, at least he can help you. Okay. You each first $100. Huh? Dia lah $100.
Yeah, I've been checking it out on Facebook.
What do you think about it?
It's quite sporty, it's quite cool, it's pretty nice.
Do you know if any other brands have done something like this? Any car brands?
Not at the price range, no.
Do you like the car? Have you seen it?
Yeah, I've seen it pass by just now. It's quite nice. It's white. I like white.
Would you consider buying it for yourself?
Yeah. Why not? That's the car again.
Will you actually join the Ford Fiesta missions in the future?
It depends where it's gonna be.
Okay, thank you.
Yes,
Do you have any opinions about it?
it's quite cool and sporty.
Did you in the flash mob session just now in our mission too?
Yeah, it's very cool.
Would you invite your friends to join more?
Sure, of course.
Have you seen the car, the real car?
Yeah, I think I saw it just now, just passed by me.
What do you think about the car?
It's pretty nice and sporty, young, energetic, cool.
Would you buy it in the future?
I think I will if come with a nice price, affordable price. Definitely I will.
All right, thank you.
Thanks.
Then you answer, right?
Okay, right.
Okay. Have you heard about the Ford Fiesta movement?
No, I haven't. Honestly, I haven't.
But
Until today. Yes.
I see you participating in the session just now. Do you enjoy it?
I had a lot of fun. I didn't know any of the steps, but I think I could catch up a little bit on the easy ones. But it was a lot of fun. I sweated a bit but it was fun.
What do you think about Ford's Fiesta mission of having flash mobs around?
I think it's a very in thing now. It's a smart thing to do because everyone's like really giving their attention on flash mobs. When you say there's flash mob coming, doing something somewhere, everybody's like, especially on Twitter when someone tweets and, people are always talking about it now. It's a new thing. And I think by doing this, you guys have actually entered the new how shall I say it, pattern or craze. Yeah, so it's very cool. It's very cool, y'all.
Would you participate in the future missions that Ford Fiesta movement have got?
I would definitely. If the date is good, yes, I would definitely join because it's, like I say, it's a lot of fun.
Have you seen the real car?
No, only the cardboard cut out of it.
Right, why don't you check out more about the car at the Ford Fiesta Facebook fan page?
Definitely will.
Thank you.
Thank you.